Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to add page numbers to a PDF online for free using the BoldSign Add Page Numbers to PDF tool. You'll find the tool link in the video description below. Adding page numbers is super simple. Just 3 steps. Upload your PDF, customize the page numbers, and download the updated file. Now, let's walk through it. First, open the BoldSign Add Page Numbers to PDF tool in your browser. It works directly, online, and all processing happens in your browser. Your file is not uploaded or stored. Next, upload your PDF. You can drag and drop the file or click to upload from your device. Once your PDF is loaded, go to the Settings panel to customize the page numbers. Start with page mode. Choose single page or facing pages, depending on how your document is laid out. Next, set the position on page. Use the placement grid to choose where the page numbers appear: top, bottom, left, right, or center. Then choose which pages to apply it to. Select all pages, or choose page range to add numbers only to specific pages. Now customize the numbering style. Set the start page number. Choose a number format and enable Roman numerals if needed. You can also adjust the margin to control how far the page number sits from the edge of the page. And for styling, use text customization. Choose the font, set the font size, pick a text color, and apply formatting like bold, italic, or underline. Finally, download the updated PDF. Your file will download instantly with the page numbers applied. And that's it. Upload, customize, download, done. If you found this tutorial useful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.